cowboy from the old west. What y'all think about this? Yeah. It only took me 22 minutes and a horse. First time I ever drawn a horse. I think that looks good. Took me 22 minutes with a doggone mechanical pencil. I like that. What do y'all think? That horse looks pretty good. And this is on a new sketchbook I got. I've had for a couple months now. I just ain't never figured out what I wanted to use it with. It's a tan sketchbook, and I show you. I got it from Hobby Lobby back when here it is. Tone tan, Stratmore. I got it from Hobby Lobby when I got my couple of sketch markers. So it's been a while. I just ain't never used it. And this is the picture I use right here. I just looked at it right here, and I just kind of put it right here. I like this. It's a light color brown. I don't know if you can tell this. So, but anyway, I'll show you some close-ups of it. Yeah, 22 minutes with the old horsey drawing. I like that right there. Old cowboy. Probably some rancher or something. That's what I'm thinking. He got his old probably Winchester. You can see it going up under his leg right there, and he's got his revolver and saddle and all that, and the blanket and all that, and saddle pad written, and the horse. I like all that. That really come out good. And the horse face turned out all right. All right. Anyway, I like this paper, and I think I'll use this paper solely for old-timey drawings, like from the West or whatever, or something like a black and white photo like that right here, and I'll just put it right here. It only took 22 minutes. Anyway, thank y'all for watching, and if y'all like Western theme kind of drawings, let me know. I like doing this. It was simple, easy, and y'all have a good day. It's old bread, all American. All right, bye.